Hi everyone, I am Lupe, a small content creator, and this will be my first video game and content. And we're playing Rusty, I think. But by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe. And let's go, we're gonna play now. I'm sorry because I'm still on mobile. My PC is still broken, so wait for, I don't know, maybe 2 days. And here we're looking to play. And today, this will be a good trip, bro. I have a cup. And I hope you enjoy my channel, by the way. Bro, ang teleporting, yeah, boy. Ang tagal naman. Ang tagal, black screen, bro. Yun. By the way, I'm Filipino. Okay, whoa, there's a lot of daming gamit. Oh, you gonna weld this? Wait, bro. How can I weld this? Wait. Hmm. How, bro? How? Ah, there. Okay. The sail. Oh, this is the sail. We're like the One Piece. We're trying to find the One Piece, bro. Haha. And this is the loot, I think. And whoa, another loot. Wow, this is a plank. Oh, plank. No plank, no plank. I need another wood, bro. That, yeah, pick it up. The blood is coming. Okay. Bro, what happened? Oh, bro, by the way, mamaya na yan. Bro, oh, this, viral, I think. I hope there's a gun inside. And this is, I need the, yes. Yes, pick that. What's happening to the sky, bro? Oh, it's raining. Oh, no, my barrels, bro. No, I dropped the one. Bro, I only have 3 barrels. It's like the going merry, bro. Yeah, get set, sail. We're sailing to the One Piece, bro. Open. What is this? A pistol bullets. Wow. Wait, why am I alone? I know I have a girl, bro. I know there's a girl, but okay, it's fine. Bro, a pistol. Wow, a pistol. Uy, I almost dropped there, bro. Bro, loot box. Yeah. Shotgun bullets, bro. Where's the shotgun? Whoa, who are you? Hey. Yan. Paluin. Nice. Yeah, get that. Hit. Yan, get that. Yeah, I will. Whoa, but why is there not a bullet? Bro. Yo, bro. Yeah, ganun pala. Okay. Ayun, bro. Yes. Now, I killed him. Okay, and today, bro, we're sailing, bro. I forgot the welding, the iron thingy, bro. Okay, so, oh, there's firing at us. Where's that, bro? Where? Oh, there's what is that called? I forgot, bro. By the way, who are you, bro? Shoot him, bro. Pog. Yeah. Get out of here. Get out of. Oh no, my help. My help. Oh no, my help. Oh no, my help. Bruh. Did she die? Did she die? Bruh. Where is that? Where is she, bro? Where? Stop sailing, bro. We're gonna get that wood. Stop. Yeah, I'm gonna jump over there. Oh, I hope Luffy doesn't drown, bro, because he have a devil fruit, you know. Oh no, my energy. Can I pick this up? Whoa, what happened? What happened, bro? My health. Bro, it's sailing. No, don't. Oh, my health. I don't think I'm gonna get the ship back, bro. The Going Mary is leaving us. Who's that, bro? Who's that? Huh? Who's that? Who's that, bro? Who's that? Who's that? I'm gonna bling. My bling. She, fire. Oh, hey, die. Oh, I'm gonna jump over there. Let's see what's he have. Bro, whoa, a loot. What is inside? What is inside? Lootable. Uy, a cricket bat. No, the sheep. Gonna do it. I hope I doesn't die. I don't die. I mean, bro, look at my energy and my health, bro. Oh, please. I need this, bro. No. Yes. Oh no, my health. It's like a half, bro. I hope I don't die. 655 from north. Whoa. Oh, bro, it's dark, bro. I need some fire or wood, flint, and steel. Bro, sailing. Yeah, let's sail, bro. Hmm. How do we get fire, by the way? Oh, there. Who's shooting at us? Yeah, fire. Did she die? We're gonna stop instead because oh, a loot. Can I loot that? Yeah. Well, oh, this is another ship. Oh, a loot. Let's loot it. I hope a gun. You notice that Eka. Uy, 13 damage. Whoa. Bro, I'm up a heart. Where are you? Why is not firing, bro? Bro, help. Whoa, who's that from firing, bro? Oh, I need to reload it. Bro, I die. No, I die. Why did I die, bro? The desert sand drank your blood? Bro, I died. My distance is 781 meters. We're gonna teleport back to the lobby, bro. Why, bro? It was a good start. I have a lot of guns, bro. Why did that die? And we're gonna end this video here. And tomorrow, I will booking in drop this channel because I'm recording, by the way.